everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with some DIYs for you and I have a special guest to help me out.
Hello.
Kate's joining me in her kitchen.
Yeah.
And we are going to be bringing you some White Company inspired DIYs today. So we've got 4 DIYs in total that we're going to be taking you through. And Kate has picked up all the bits and pieces for these.
Yeah.
The first thing we're going to be kicking off with is a wreath, isn't it?
Yes. It's the, is it Queen's Anne wreath, White Company?
Yes. Queen Anne lace, I believe.
Oh.
I think.
Yeah, and I think it's £45
yeah.
on the White Company website.
And we are going to be using a wreath base here that, is this from Poundland?
Home Bargains.
Home
Bargains. Yeah, £1.99 or
okay.
£1.50.
And some of these stems, how much were they?
I think they were about £3 something each.
Okay.
£3 to £4 from the range.
Yeah.
For like a whole bunch.
Very, very nice. Go for it?
Yes. Oh, hang on.
What?
Do we need to spray it with hairspray first, or do you think?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Little tip.
Let me move the coffees.
Okay. So, we've got here some L'Oreal Studio Pro, just to sort out ourselves when we get going. So, yeah, Kate's got a little tip.
Well, it wasn't mine. A lovely subscriber told me about this, so thank you if that was... Oh no, this is your channel.
Alright. What's the tip?
Spray the flowers.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it was at Christmas time, you know, when glitter goes everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
I think maybe a few people suggested it, but spray the thing with hairspray, and that means it will hold it.
Okay, let's give it a little blast. Because these have got quite a lot of, yeah, it's almost powdery.
Yeah, it's coming off a little bit,
isn't it?
Like coconut.
Yeah.
Like little bits of coconut.
So while I spray these, would you mind just starting to cut those off into little stems for me?
Yeah, just fine.
And I think, all being well, we'll just be able to poke these into the wreath, so we won't need to be faffing about too much.
No, it's actually got a little bit of like lace around it, which is quite sweet.
Oh yeah.
Chop it off.
We might be able to use that.
I'll try and save it.
Hang it up with it.
Yeah, it's actually nice.
You can see this is flying all over the shop, so hopefully this hairspray will fix it into position. So Kate's just cutting all the stems off, so I'm going to start popping those into the wreath.
Okay.
How are you getting on?
There we go. Oh, it's coming off. I love like reusing stuff. I keep everything.
Yeah.
Which you probably know if you know me. And then you just never know, do you?
Well, that ribbon's definitely sticking with the theme that we've got going on today. So you're right there.
Yeah. That was hard to chop. Okay. So
thank you very much. We've sprayed all of them. Yeah. So what I'd like you to do for me is just trim these down. We're going to just cut them off to about like that, so we can poke them in.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
There.
Yeah. That'll do. Do we need pliers? We do, don't we? We're going to need some pliers. Have you got any pliers?
Don't know. I'll have to ring Lee. Where's our pliers?
Or do you want some other scissors?
These actually, it's wire, isn't it?
Oh, what about this?
Okay.
How's it going? Oh.
Are they good? Or are you just stronger than me?
Stronger
I just had
than
that.
yesterday.
There we go. You're quick. I'm really slow at stuff though. You're like really good at things. Chopping.
So have some pliers handy when you do this. So what we're going to do, now we've got our little stems, is we're just going to start poking them in, like so. And you can just keep going all the way around the wreath. And you can make it as thick or as sparse as you like. The one that we are inspired by is actually quite thick and it's also right the way around. So we're going to go for that look, hopefully. But you could just do a little bit as a detail, maybe. What do you think?
What's that?
Concentration, eh?
Oh, chop it.
Yeah.
What did you say? That was lovely.
I was saying you could, we're going to go all the way around.
Yeah, we are. It's a thick wreath,
but you could just do a bit.
Yeah, like that would be cute.
Yeah.
Do you need to glue gun those in or do they just stay?
I think these will just stay, and the benefit with that is that if you get fed up with it or if you want to add some more or switch them up,
you can change it.
Yeah, you can. And nothing's fixed, so if one's looking a bit out of place later on, we can fiddle that. What's that?
Some coconut.
Coconut?
Well, no, these bits. So I've been messing around with artificial flowers, like for our wedding this year, and I didn't realise that they all come off. So you can mix them onto things. I had no idea It's really clever. So you can put a different thing on there or whatever you like. Did you know that?
I didn't, no. So they sort of pop off, right? So that bit comes away and then you're left with...
Yeah. So you could put...
It's almost like a little plug, isn't it? That you can
it is. You can put whatever you want on. But I had no idea. I just thought that was brilliant. And all of the ones I've got, like from the range, they all have the same thing. And the ones from Home Bargains.
Excellent.
You can change them.
Yeah.
Did not know that. I was very impressed.
So the nice thing about this little DIY is that it's not messy in terms of no glue gunning, no faffing about with things like that. Very simple to do. And that is because we've got this style of wreath base. I guess you could also use one of the foam ones and poke them into that.
Yeah.
If you wanted to.
Are they more expensive?
They probably are, aren't they? Yeah. I've never actually bought one before. I always tend to use ones like this. I think that's already looking really, really good. How about that?
That's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
I actually think the White Company one looks maybe a bit too full.
Okay.
But we're recreating it, so that's what we're doing. I'm sure it will look lovely eventually.
Yeah.
Might look even nicer.
We are going all in one direction with this.
One direction.
We
got a full.
the history.
Well, that was easy.
So just to give you the idea as well of how far one of these will go, we've pretty much just used up one.
As soon as I saw these flowers, I thought they're the exact ones.
Yes.
On the White Company. Well, not the exact ones, but they looked exactly the same. That's the one.
What flower is this? Do we have a name for it, or is it?
No.
It's down here. White foliage bouquet. In case you're after the very specific one in the range. What are we thinking? That's looking really good already.
You love your wreaths, don't you?
I do. I've got a big collection. Plenty up in my loft, tucked away for when Christmas time comes around. Any ideas of where to hang something like this? Let us know what you think. Above a fireplace would look nice, I think.
Yeah. Or on the inside of your door.
Yeah, that's a good shout. Yeah.
I did have one there, but the nail fell out and it fell down.
We just keep poking. And they go in really easily when you've got the this wicker style wreath base. Is that what we call it? Is it wicker?
I'd say wicker.
Oh, those scissors are giving you grief, aren't they?
No, look at my thumb.
Do you want to do some poking?
No, I'm just worried about you keep doing that bit. I'm nearly done, I think.
So the only tip I've really got for you is just to keep going in this, make sure you're poking them in all the same direction. You don't want to be going back on itself.
No.
So as long as they're all poked in the same way. Yeah.
Well, that one's coming out.
That's really the only little...
There is lots of little bits here,
got.
so maybe do it on a... If you are recreating this.
Yeah.
Do it somewhere.
Oh, a bit messy.
Well, a little bit, isn't it?
We could always give it another blast with the hairspray when we're done, I think, just to make sure we lock it all in. If it's looking a bit small, go in at the edges and make them poke out a little bit more. It'll make it look a little bit wider. And likewise, if you want the hole in the middle to be smaller, then you just do the same around the middle. There we go, that's coming on really nice. You alright there? You still got your fingers?
I really enjoy chopping.
You enjoyed DIYing with me?
It's great fun.
Yeah. You're glad that I popped over? Right. How's that looking?
Oh, it's lovely. Yay.
And there we go. That didn't happen. How about that? Very, very nice. That is so easy to do and that is effective, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
That looks fab. Amazing.
Yeah, well done.
Right, we'll get this bit cleaned up and we'll move on to the next one. So next up we're going to be making some placemats and coasters using some Hessian.
Okay.
Where did you pick this up from? This is very nice.
That was from a car boot sale last year and it was £1 for that roll.
Fantastic. So this is kind of hemmed already down the sides. And all we're going to do, this is so simple, we're just going to use a plate. How much do you want either side? Are we thinking like enough for a knife and fork, or do you just go...
Well, what I thought was...
Square?
Yeah, so the same amount here.
Okay, got it.
There.
Yeah.
Or a knife and fork, I didn't even think of that.
Yeah.
So, do you want me to get a knife and fork?
Yeah.
Okay.
You could cut it with some pinking shears if you wanted to, but I think a straight edge looks really, really nice.
What's pinking shears?
It's the zigzaggy ones.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah.
Why are they called pinking shears?
I'm not sure. Let us know in the comments if you know.
Someone will know.
So that's that. It's curling up, so what you can do if it does that,
Turn it over.
absolutely.
You can do that,
yeah.
Oh, there you go. Oh, that's
we go.
nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really simple.
Yeah. So easy to do.
Yeah, and the White
Take
Company
minutes.
ones are kind of bamboo-y, woven-y, but you've got
Okay.
the same sort of look here.
Yeah, it's got that nice rustic feel, and the colour tone of the Hessian,
Yeah.
I think looks really, really lovely. So, same with the cup, you can flip it over if you want to, just to get the size, roughly speaking.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. And then what you could do, you could mark it like that,
Yeah.
and then we could just fold a little corner over, once you've got where it's going to be.
That's a good idea. Have you done that before?
So, no. Just make it up as we go along, or botch it as I like to say.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
And actually, it's kind of a straight line anyway.
Yeah, you
The
can
other
follow
one.
the
Yeah,
weave, and then you'll get your straight line.
unless your eyes go funny though.
Yeah. And that's that.
Yeah.
Nice little coaster.
That looks really
How about that?
nice, doesn't it?
And if it frays a little bit, I think that all adds to it. You could
Yeah.
also fray the edges if you wanted to. Maybe go down by about a centimetre and give it a little frayed edge. Look quite nice.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, so on to the next one. We have got some candlesticks. So where did this come from?
They were, I think they were a charity shop. I think they were 50p for the two.
Yeah.
They got a price on or not?
This one doesn't,
No.
but they're obviously this pink colour. So we're going to just give this a little quick fix with some Poundland automobile paint.
Yeah.
High gloss.
Automobile.
Oh yes. And yeah, we're just going to give this a little spray and see how it turns out. And here we have it. It's looking good, isn't it?
Yeah, really nice.
Took a few coats. I think you'll do probably about 3 on that to get it nicely coated. But yeah, that's looking much
3
nicer.
cans
isn't
or
it?
1?
3 coats.
Oh, 3
Yeah.
coats. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. That's looking good,
Yeah,
eh?
it's really nice.
And we've used a similar technique with this vase. So where did you find this from?
That was from a charity shop the other day. I think it was Wednesday morning, and it was £3.50.
Really, really nice.
Next.
This is, yeah, Next Home.
Yeah.
It's got this nice little pattern going on. So really nice as it stands, but we thought we
Yeah.
could White Company it up a little bit.
Yeah, and it didn't really suit my style. I
Yeah.
thought it was really nice, but I thought plainer would look better in my
Yeah,
house.
and for that sort of price, it's quite good to
Yeah.
experiment. Good thing to DIY things that aren't too expensive in case it does go wrong. So here it is after a few coats of the same paint. I'm just going to drag it in case it's still a little bit tacky.
Drag this one over.
Yeah, but there we go. I think that looks like
Oh, I
such a
love it.
nice
Yeah.
statement vase.
Yeah,
Really,
it's
really good.
expensive.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Got a few little dribbles on it, but I think that adds kind of like
Yeah,
to the
it's got-
effect. A bit like it's been glazed.
It's got character.
Yeah, really, really nice.
We're not perfect, are we?
No,
So why
no.
should your vase be?
Yeah, why should you be? So those are all of our White Company style DIYs for you. Do let us know in the comments down below which one was your favourite, and if you have a go at any of these, make sure you tag us in your pictures over on Instagram so that we can share them and see how you get on as well. And over on Kate's channel, we are going to be sharing with you some thrifted and some bargain White Company dupes. So Kate's been out hitting the shops and she's got a few bits and pieces to show us.
Yeah, loads.
Hey!
Loads at the kitchen table.
So make sure you head over to Kate's channel to check those out and do subscribe while you're over there. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a little thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye!
Bye.